Well, hey, it's Thursday, August 26th on the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat, and I have got your astrological forecast for the day. But before we get started, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness and negativity leaving our bodies. It's flowing right out. And in its place, we are being filled by this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. It fills our entire body, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We're going to say it together. We're going to stay in this space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good. Well, Tuesday and Wednesday. Whoa, baby, duck and cover, right? Well, today, everything settles a little bit. We can shake all that nastiness off. Just shake it off. All that manipulation, all that control, all that power grabbing. The energy is settled a little bit nicer today, much nicer today. We still have the moon in Aries. The moon's going to stay into Aries until 2:30 today, when she goes void of course until 9:30 p.m. tonight when she goes into Taurus. So you know the drill. Between 2:30 today and 9:30 tonight, Eastern Daylight Time, it's not a good time to start anything new, to initiate anything new. It's not a good time to sign any contracts, because when the moon is void of course, she has made her last connection with another planet, and she doesn't do too much until she drifts into Taurus at 9:30 tonight. So that drifting energy, that's the energy that's going to go along with anything you try to initiate today. So it's best that you don't, if you don't have to. If you do have to, just make sure that you are conscious and you check all the fine details to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be, and what you're signing is what you think you're signing. What you're beginning is what you think you're beginning. Okay, but we do have some great energy. We have the Mercury in Virgo trine Pluto in Capricorn. So, we were talking about, we had these great ideas earlier in the week, or we had an idea of how better to do something, how to make something more efficient or more productive. And we really took our time on it. We were pretty proud of it. And we did the fine details and how to do it and what all the steps. But then, nobody was interested at the beginning of the week because they wanted us to buy into their story, what they had. And so it didn't go anywhere. But today it can. It's a trine. So don't expect the other to come up and say, oh yeah, I remember you had an idea the other day. I really wasn't paying attention to it because I was focused on something else. I really want to listen to it. I want to hear what you have to say. That is not going to happen today. It's a trine. A trine is a beautiful, smooth, wonderful energy that makes the energy is supportive of you putting out your idea, of initiating your idea, or of sharing your idea. There will be some support. There will be some buy-in today, but we're going to have to initiate it. It's not going to happen unless we initiate it today. So, and it's so we can really make some good structural changes. Pluto's in Capricorn. So we can make a change structurally in the foundation, really making something, like I said, more efficient, more productive. It could even be a job description, something to do with the job opportunity. Maybe we've created a new job, a new position in our company because we have some new needs that need to be filled. Something like that. The opportunity is there to get ownership from others and support, as long as we initiate it, because it's not going to happen unless we do. And then tonight at 9:30, the moon goes into Taurus. And so that's an earth sign, so she becomes much more stable and grounded. And she's not going to be really interested in listening to your great ideas, your new ideas tonight. So if you have anything new, get it out today and see if you can get it to fly, because from tonight and then tomorrow on Friday, the energy is not there. It's just the energy for tonight and tomorrow is like stable, grounded, status quo stuff. So if you got something to promote, do it before I guess you can do it. Well, do it before 2:30 today. That's your best option. That's your best chance of success for today. All right, let's see what the advice is from the universe on this Thursday. Thursday. We're getting there. August 26th. I put out a video yesterday on Uranus retrograde. If you want to check that out, it's a short one this time. It's not any 35 minutes long. It's about 10. So if you want to just check that out, that's out there. That's available, as well as the 15-minute Sun in Virgo guided meditation is out to any of us who need some assistance in meditating and disciplining ourselves to check in with our higher self on a routine, and that means daily basis. It doesn't mean 10 hours a day. It means maybe start with 5 minutes, but we need to really get going on that. So, deceit. So, well, this contradicts, everything should be clearing out today, but there is still some of that old energy around. It's either us trying to deceive someone or they're trying to deceive us. That energy is still lingering. So Spirit is saying, hey, just don't go in and think everything is okay and you can not be as conscious. We still have to be conscious because I guess they're not quite finished with us yet. They're still trying to get us to buy into their story. Action. And on that idea, we have take some action to promote it today, but it's going to be us that initiates it. So we're going to have to, be the one and promote it and be true to ourselves and be brave and courageous enough to float it out there and see what happens. But we have to put it out there today. The trine energy is not going to give us the energy. It's not going to put it in front of anybody's face. We have to initiate that. Oh my. And then we have envy. So the darkness is still out there today. I was saying everything's a lot better, but there is some of that dark energy out there today. It's It's right here and it's right here. So not only are they trying to manipulate and control us and suck our power, they are very envious of the idea that we came up with, this idea that we're trying to promote. So we take action, but Spirit is saying, hey, 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 be aware. There are those out there who don't have our best interests at heart. They are very upset that the attention is on us and what we've been able to accomplish instead of them. So be careful about that today. Be conscious. Make sure you do your 3 deep cleansing breaths and use that protective bubble again if you want to promote your idea, to make sure that nobody can compromise us, our true selves. Nobody can come at us and take our power away from us. Really important. So, man, that kind of was a Debbie Downer end of Thursday. I was kind of excited, but evidently there's still some of that negative energy out there. So Spirit wants us to be aware of it today. So come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. Check out that Uranus retrograde video. Remember, and I forgot to say this for the first time ever, I think, yesterday. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Have a great Thursday. Protect ourselves today, but don't forget to promote our idea. Don't be afraid. Be brave and courageous. Hold true to our true authentic self and promote that idea or that new job description or whatever it is that we have to contribute to the good of the whole. Take care. Namaste.